Local commercial real estate. Whether you use or invest in real estate in the local area, you can rely on our local market expertise for commercial real estate projects of virtually any size and complexity. Our talented team delivers comprehensive, integrated solutions to local real estate owners, tenants and investors. Our local commercial real estate firm offers transaction, management, consulting and investment services and proprietary market research and extensive local expertise. Diverse local commercial real estate expertise. Office, industrial retail, healthcare, multifamily, mixed use and land development. Our firm is an established and respected local commercial real estate services company with a team of professionals who have helped shape the local commercial real estate market and know every corner. You can trust our expertise to tackle even the most of complex commercial real estate needs. We stand committed and ready to translate your needs and recommendations into results because we work with our clients, not just for them. As one of the largest and most respected commercial real estate services and investment companies, we bring you strategies and insights from an integrated team of professionals. By harnessing this collective experience and knowledge, we deliver the solutions that make your project work. Learn more about our comprehensive, integrated services for all of your local commercial real estate needs.